Hey everyone, I'm Richard Blais. I'm here at my restaurant, The Crack Shack, in beautiful Costa Mesa in Orange County, California. So the next dish we're making here at The Crack Shack in Costa Mesa, Chef Schroeder is going to demonstrate this dish. It's French fries with gravy and stuff like that. So it's called poutine. You might have heard it. Our version of poutine is not really gravy. It's more cheese fries or a version of carne asada. We're in Southern California. So Schroeder right here has fried these potatoes and he's dressing them right now with a little bit of schmaltz, which, let's just get this out of the way. Schmaltz is one of my favorite things in the world to say. Can you say it with me? Schmaltz. But we tossed it in some schmaltz, which is chicken fat. It's really gonna emphasize the flavor of chicken. We're gonna toss it in our sort of spice blend called crack spice. And then we're gonna start plating our poutine. One of the amazing things about the fries at Crack Shack is they take 3 to 4 days to prepare. It's a whole nother topic. We'll do another 30-minute show just on French fries. Schroeder over here is gonna finish our poutine. Right out of the fryer, we have our crispy potatoes, and now he's gonna dress it with a little bit of this jalapeno cheese sauce. I like to call it Cheese Wizard, so that I don't get in trouble with saying another word. But a little bit of this cheese sauce. What else goes on in there, Chef?
Right now we're gonna hit it with our pollo asada.
So pollo asado, so he's speaking Spanish. That means there's chicken in there. That's basically what he's saying. Some braised chicken, right?
Absolutely.
A little bit of braised chicken.
We grill this off in our pollo asada marinade.
Oh, that looks good. Can I do the next step?
Absolutely.
Is this the tomatoes?
Wait, don't forget, Chef.
Don't forget. A little bit of jalapeno.
Vinegar.
A little bit of jalapeno vinegar. That's gonna take it to the next place right there. A little bit of our fresh salsa is gonna go on top of here. Oh, by the way, I'm getting really hungry making this dish. This looks insane. This is the cotija. A little bit of the cotija. That's gonna add some salt, a little bit of umami, and then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of cilantro and scallions. This is our version of poutine at the Crack Shack in Costa Mesa, California.